Hello students, today let's learn about basics of filter, low pass filter and high pass filter. Myself, Dr. V.K.Bairagi, working as professor in ENTC department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Filter is electronic circuit which performs signal processing function specially to remove unwanted frequency component from the signal or to enhance particular frequency or both. Filters may be classified by a number of ways like analog filters, digital filter, passive filter, active filters, audio or radio frequency filters depending upon the frequencies. These are the types of filters: low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, band reject filter and all pass filter. These are the basic components used in passive filters. These are mainly RLC components. The impedance of capacitor is Xc, which can be calculated by the formula as 1 upon 2 pi Fc. In general, capacitor will pass the AC and it will block the DC. The impedance of inductor is given as XL, which is equal to 2 pi FL. Inductor will block AC and it will pass DC. Using these properties of capacitor and inductor, we can design different filters. Let's start with simple RC filter. It is low pass filter. It is having simple connection with resistance in series and capacitor in parallel. Low pass filter will pass low frequencies and attenuate higher frequencies. Fc is the cutoff frequency. Because of the capacitor in parallel, whenever the input frequencies are decreasing, Xc will be increasing, allowing input frequency to pass towards the output, and whenever input frequencies F they are increasing, the value of Xc will decrease because frequency is there in the denominator while calculating Xc, and henceforth whenever frequencies are increasing, Xc will decrease and it will bypass signal components. This is example of practical low pass filter. The value of resistance and capacitors they are mentioned. Fc can be calculated using the formula as 1 upon 2 pi Rc, which comes out to be 1326 Hz. The cutoff frequency Fc can be seen on graph. This is the frequency response of practical low pass filter shown in red color, whereas in blue color that is the frequency response for ideal low pass filter. As you can see in the diagram, you are having pass band, meaning is frequencies up to 1326 Hz will be allowed to pass through this particular filter, whereas for rest of the frequencies which are higher than 1326 Hz, attenuation will be provided to these frequencies. Practically, you don't get a sharp cutoff. This is ideal high pass filter. Capacitor component is in the series, whereas R, that is resistor, is there in parallel. High pass filter means frequencies above certain critical frequencies will be allowed to pass through the filter, whereas frequencies below that critical frequency will be attenuated. As input frequency is decreases, value of Xc will be increased and henceforth Xc will provide resistance to the input frequencies, whereas if input frequencies are increasing, then the value of Xc, that is impedance offered by the capacitor, will be decreasing. This is the ideal response for high pass filter. This is the practical response for high pass filter. That is one example. The value of capacitor and resistors they are mentioned over here, mentioned in the diagram, and Fc can be calculated using the formula Fc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi Rc, which comes out for this numerical is 1061 Hz. That means frequencies above these critical frequencies will be allowed to pass, whereas frequencies below these critical frequencies will be attenuated by the filter. Practical high pass filter and its actual simulation graph using simulation software is shown in the diagram. See the difference between ideal and practical graph. Red color line indicates the practical graph, whereas black color line indicates the ideal graph. For practical graph, you actually have three regions: pass band, transition band and stop band. This is actually the response of practical low pass filter. As you can see in the bottom side diagram, one may have ripples in the response of the filter. The slope of transition band defines the roll-off rate of that filter. Thank you.